Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a beauty room / closet clean, declutter, organization type of video. I am showing you what my beauty room looks like right now, and I tend to neglect this room, even though I'm very upset with myself that I do neglect this room. I come in there, I film a makeup tutorial, I literally tear it apart, and then I just leave it. So it hasn't been cleaned in such a long time. I have a full trash can from the Beauty's Empties video I filmed, which was like 6 weeks ago, so that shows how often I clean this room. Also, I will show you the closet in a minute, but the closet in my beauty room is strictly just for storage that's unrelated to beauty, if that makes sense, just kind of random storage we need in the house. And I had stored a bassinet in that closet. And then I gave that to a friend, so I had to rip everything out of the closet, which is why you see kind of all these random objects around my house. I mean, around the beauty room, I'm sorry. So now what you're looking at is Evelyn's changing table, which is currently sitting in my basement. So the plan for this video is to move that changing table into my closet, or into this closet, and completely reorganize the closet, get everything back in there that should be in there. So that is what today's video is, and I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know that you like it if you do like it. And please consider subscribing. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. I'm going to let some music play, and I will see you next time.
For me, that's all I ask you do. Don't erase me. Silence is a thoughtless way to let go, then to face me. I wasn't always the bad guy in the stories you were told. What are your friends all saying? Hanging on my watch, my thoughts are overrun. To think that you have left me, to think that we are done. I'll go, and you'll never save me. Fight for me. as I sink. Finally, someplace I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops counting hours in the early hours, stone cold inside. Banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people. Chasing whatever kills. For so long I forgot how it feels in the dark of night. Tabletops counting hours in the early hours, stone cold inside. Banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we're the street light people.
Alright guys, so this room is done. I just have to put my lights back in here, but I kept them out. Oh my goodness, look at this cat. I kept them out just for the sake of this video, just so you can actually see what the room looks like. But everything is cleaned out. This, I hope the lighting's good enough. I guess a little bit. You can see what the closet looks like. Much, much better. So just a quick tour. This is my empties bin. I have some more stuff upstairs that I need to put in here. This is so much better. No more trash. Woohoo! And this is where the magic happens. I do need to clean my makeup brushes, but that will be for another day. Excuse me. And I need to iron this, but again, that is for another day. If you guys have been around for a while, this is actually the backdrop that I used to use in my videos before I like renovated this room. So I do need to get like an official like tablecloth. I actually want to get a new table, but this is just gonna have to do for now. So I have my mic and my remote trigger for my camera and my mug warmer because I always need coffee when I'm doing my makeup. This is some art that I actually need to hang up, and fun fact, these are my grandmother's. She was a really amazing artist, and she painted all of these. Most of the paintings in my house are hers. Pretty much all of the art in my house is from her, but yeah, she painted these. So I really want to hang these up, so I'm happy I got all these out. This is just like totally random stuff I don't know what to do with, so I'm gonna just like have to find a place. All my makeup is in here. I just did a full video on decluttering the entire collection. I'll link that video at the end of this video. And my table, I also have a TV, or I use it as my monitor for when I'm filming in here. But yeah, that is the entire room with my kitty. Come on. Such a good girl. So yeah, so that is the room, and I hope this video helped you out. I hope it motivated you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.